Baked sweet potato fries. You're gonna need one sweet potato, cut the ends and cut it into thin pieces. Then you're gonna wash it a bit and remove the water. Add some black pepper and some salt. Add a little bit of olive oil. Mix it. Then you're gonna take your baking rack, add parchment paper, and then place the sweet potato on it. You're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. And after 30 minutes, you're gonna flip fries over and bake it for another 15 minutes. And there you have it, baked sweet potato fries. Sweet, delicious, and healthy.